What if I told you that right now, as you're watching this video, half of your kidney function could already be gone without you even realizing it? Every morning, millions of people wake up and grab their favorite fruits, thinking they're making a healthy choice. A banana here, a glass of orange juice there. But these seemingly innocent foods hide a mineral overload so dangerous it could mean the difference between keeping your independence or ending up on dialysis. And here's what's truly terrifying. When your doctor tells you your creatinine level is slightly elevated, the damage is already done, irreversible, permanent. But wait, before you panic, I need to tell you something crucial. There are 4 specific fruits available at every grocery store that can actually reverse this damage. Fruits that naturally lower kidney creatinine and help restore your filtration capacity, even if you're already at stage 3 or 4 of kidney disease. I know this because I've seen it with my own eyes. Last week, a 65-year-old man named Robert came to see me. 3 months ago, his creatinine level was 2.1. His doctor had told him dialysis was inevitable. But after strictly following the fruit-based protocol I'm about to reveal, his level dropped to 1.5. No dialysis, no medications, just the right fruits consumed the right way. If you've been told your kidney function is declining, if you wake up with swollen ankles, if you're worried about your next blood test, this video could literally save your life. Because in the next few minutes, you'll discover exactly which fruits protect your kidneys, which ones are secretly destroying them, and the simple daily routine that could help you avoid dialysis forever. Let's start with a truth most people never hear until it's too late. The silent countdown. Nobody talks about. Your kidneys aren't like your heart. When your heart is struggling, you feel it. Chest pain, shortness of breath, fatigue. Your body screams for help. But kidneys are silent workers, filtering 2 liters of blood every single day without you feeling a thing. Picture this. Inside each kidney are about 1 million tiny filters called nephrons. Think of them like coffee filters, each one working 24/7 to purify your blood. When they're new and healthy, waste flows through easily. Everything is clear. But here's what nobody tells you. You're born with all the nephrons you'll ever have. When they die, they're gone forever. No regeneration, no second chances. And they're dying right now, every single day, silently. By age 40, you've already lost 10% of your kidney function. By 60, it's 25%. And here's the most shocking part. You won't feel any difference. Your body brilliantly compensates by making the remaining nephrons work harder and harder until one day they can't keep up. That's when your creatinine starts rising. Before we go further, if this information is opening your eyes, if you're starting to understand why protecting your kidneys matters so much, do me a favor right now. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon. Why? Because next week I'm revealing the 3 morning drinks that can lower creatinine in 30 days, and you don't want to miss that. Plus, every week I share proven protocols helping people avoid dialysis, reduce medications, and reclaim their independence. Your future self will thank you for subscribing today. Now let's talk about the potassium paradox that could stop your heart. Have you ever felt your heart skip a beat? Maybe a palpitation in your chest that made you pause? For someone with healthy kidneys, potassium is a miracle mineral. It keeps your heart beating steadily, your muscles contracting smoothly, your nerves firing properly. But when kidney function drops below 60%, potassium becomes a ticking time bomb. Here's what happens. Healthy kidneys remove excess potassium through urine, but damaged kidneys can't. So potassium builds up in your bloodstream like cars in a traffic jam. And unlike other minerals that cause gradual problems, high potassium can kill you in minutes, cardiac arrest without warning. The safe range is between 3.5 and 5. But I've seen patients arrive with levels of 6.5 feeling perfectly normal, not knowing they were 1 banana away from a heart attack. This isn't fear-mongering, it's proven medical fact. A study in the American Journal of Kidney Diseases tracked 3,000 kidney failure patients for 5 years. Those consuming high-potassium fruits daily had a 47% increased risk of sudden cardiac death, nearly half. But here's where it gets interesting. Not all fruits are created equal. While a banana contains 422 milligrams of potassium, certain fruits contain less than half that amount and actually help your kidneys heal. Fruits that reduce inflammation, improve filtration, and can even naturally lower your creatinine level. The question is, which fruits heal and which fruits harm? The 4 kidney saviors, hiding in plain sight. Now pay close attention, because these 4 fruits could mean the difference between dialysis and freedom. I call them the 4 kidney guardians, and each one has unique properties that protect and restore kidney function. Fruit number 1, the humble apple, your daily insurance policy. An apple so ordinary most people overlook it, but inside this simple fruit lives your kidney's best friend. A medium apple contains only 195 milligrams of potassium, safe even for stage 4 kidney disease patients. But that's just the beginning. The real magic is in the skin. Apple skin contains pectin, a fiber that acts like a magnet for phosphorus and toxins in your intestines. Instead of forcing your kidneys to filter everything, pectin captures waste and eliminates it through your stool. It's like hiring a cleanup crew to let your kidneys rest. A Cleveland Clinic study showed kidney failure patients who ate 1 apple with skin daily reduced their phosphorus levels by 23% in just 8 weeks without changing anything else. Fruit number 2, blueberries, the inflammation fighters. These tiny blue powerhouses may look delicate, but they're warriors for your kidneys. Half a cup of blueberries contains only 57 milligrams of potassium, almost nothing. But beneath their dark blue skin hide anthocyanins, compounds so powerful they can cross the blood-kidney barrier. A groundbreaking Johns Hopkins study revealed that blueberry anthocyanins reduced nephrotoxic inflammation by 47% in just 12 weeks. Fruit number 3, red grapes, the cellular repair specialists. Under their paper-thin skin hides resveratrol, the compound that made red wine famous. But forget the wine. Your kidneys need a pure source. Resveratrol doesn't just protect your kidneys, it activates genes that repair damaged cells. A study published in Kidney International followed 200 chronic kidney disease patients. Those who consumed resveratrol, equivalent to a small handful of red grapes daily, improved their kidney function by 22% in 6 months. Fruit number 4, pineapple, nature's cleanser. 1 cup of fresh pineapple contains only 180 milligrams of potassium, less than half a banana. But its real power comes from bromelain, an enzyme found mainly in the core that most people throw away. Bromelain literally dissolves inflammatory proteins clogging kidney tissues. It works like drain cleaner for your nephrons, breaking down debris causing scarring and filtration loss. Your 7-day kidney reset protocol is simple. Monday and Thursday, apple day, 1 medium apple with skin eaten slowly at breakfast. Tuesday and Friday, blueberry boost, half cup mixed with Greek yogurt. Wednesday, grape day, 15 to 20. Red grapes with lunch. Weekend pineapple treat, fresh pineapple as a snack. Saturday and Sunday include the core. This rotation gives your kidneys variety without overload, different antioxidants, different benefits, all working together. Right now, you're standing at a crossroads. On one side, more medications, worsening condition, and eventually dialysis, 3 days per week, 4 hours each time, connected to a machine doing what your kidneys can no longer do. On the other side, simple fruits eaten strategically helping your kidneys heal naturally, no side effects, no astronomical medical bills, just food as medicine, like nature intended. Every day in my practice, I see people make this choice. Some ignore the warning signs, keep eating the wrong foods, and end up exactly where the statistics predict. Others make small, consistent changes and surprise everyone, including their doctors. Which path will you choose? Your kidneys have been silently protecting you for decades, filtering toxins while you sleep, balancing minerals while you work, managing your blood pressure while you live your life. Now it's your turn to protect them, one fruit at a time, starting today.